On the farm at morning light, someone's mooing, what a sight! Moo, moo, moo! Who could it be? Maybe it's a barking pup. No, no way, no, no way. A pup goes woof, woof every day. Maybe it's a little duck. No, no way, no, no way. A duck goes quack, not like that. Oh, we know it's a cow. Moo, 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 nice and loud. Moo, moo, woof, woof, quack, quack too. Guess the sounds it's fun to do. By the pond so big and wide, someone's croaking deep inside. Ribbit, ribbit, who could it be? Maybe it's a fluffy cat. No, no way, no, no way. A cat goes meow, just like that. Maybe it's a hopping hare. No, no way, no, no way. A hare goes thump, thump all the way. Oh, we know it's a frog. Ribbit, ribbit on a log. Ribbit, ribbit, meow, meow, thump, thump too. Guess the sounds it's fun to do. In the barn behind the door, someone's squeaking on the floor. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Who could it be? Maybe it's a rooster tall. No, no way, no, no way. A rooster crows cock-a-doodle-doo all day. Maybe it's a clumsy goat. No, no way, no, no way. A goat says ma in its own way. Oh, we know it's a rat. Squeak, 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 just like that. Squeak, squeak, mama, cock-a-doodle-doo. Guess the sounds it's fun to do. In the yard so warm and bright, someone's oinking, what a sight! Oink, 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 oink. Who could it be? Maybe it's a galloping horse. No, no way, no, no way. A horse goes neigh, of course, of course. Maybe it's a chirping chick. No, no way, no, no way. A chick goes peep, peep all day. Oh, we know it's a pig. Oink, 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 big and pink. Oink, oink, neigh, neigh, peep, peep too. Guess the sounds it's fun to do. So many sounds, so much to say. Let's all guess, come on and play. Moo, moo, quack, quack, oink, oink too. Listen close, it's up to you. Oink, squeak, squeak, ribbit, ribbit too. Guess the sounds it's fun to do. Listen, learn, and play along. Animal sounds make a happy song.